Today, I will be asking Gemini models to create a Spotify clone web app. So let's see how low and high thinking can work together to make the best Spotify clone. First, we made Gemini low thinking make a plan, then we ask high thinking to make it for real. So let's review what Gemini has made. Because we can't blindly trust AI for everything, as even AI technology makes mistakes, to let me manually review the code. Aha, it's perfect. Let's ask it for the file location so that we can open it peacefully in the browser. Whoa, the UI interface is like exactly the same, and it has added lo-fi music tunes for different songs, and also there are so many different options, and even a disc animation they're spinning, and also we can add any song to our favorites, and there is also different playlists. We can play all working, so this is one of the luckiest time that without 10 times, prompting a low-thinking model creates a perfect clone in one go. If you like such projects, please support my channel by subscribing and sharing my content.